guys, welcome to Glossy's Tip. In this channel I do everything natural recipe for your hair care, your body care, facial scrub, oil and bath soap. Everything done in a natural way with only natural ingredients. So let's pop it into this video. As you can see there, I have a glass of what I call strong concoctions, or should I say strong antiviral drinks. The ingredients are very simple, fashionable, and you have them in your kitchen cabinet. Remember, in this channel I use only things in the kitchen cabinet, things that you can find in your kitchen cabinet. So here are my garlics and my ginger. I've washed them, I've peeled them. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to mash them together with the help of a blender. The video is self-explanatory. I'm just going to blend them without water, then put them in a transparent bowl. While that is doing, I have my water on the fire or on the stove. So I'm going to take the water to a boiling stage. Once it starts boiling, I turn off my flame and pour the hot water into my mixture. As you can see, I've blended my ingredients. But before I continue, please, if you find my channel interesting and you felt the need to support my channel, please use your subscription button and your notification bell on, so you will not miss out of my latest video. As you can see, I blended them without water, a kind of rough blending. It wasn't smooth. So the essence of blending is just to make it easier for this ingredient to infuse faster into the water. So right now my water is done. All I'm going to do, add it into my mixture and cover and allow it to cool. Then after, I will come back and finish the process. So while this is going on, I already have my vitamin C, which I made at home. I'm going to leave the link to that video on how I make my vitamin C on the description box. So my vitamin C are frozen. I put them inside the freezer containers, ice containers. So it is going to be very easy for me to use because they are mono doses. So I'm going to be using those vitamin C for my soap. Whenever I'm in need of vitamin C, I just bring out some cubes of ice. The ones I need, I just use them. So as you can see, the water has changed very, very fast. That is the reason why I blended the ingredients. All I'm going to do, with the help of a strainer, I will filter it the first time because I don't need any particles on this tea. I just want this tea. I double filtered it because I want my tisana to be particles free. So it is cold. That is why I'm able to squeeze more juice out of it with my hands. So that is why I advise you to allow it to cool. This concoction, this drink is not sweet in the mouth. You can even throw up if you don't use sweetener or some stevia to take it. So I advise you use a sweetener, honey, or any stevia. This is my frozen vitamin C. I store them in the ice box for future uses, and whenever I need some, depending on the quantity, I'll just bring them out and my vitamin C is done. Right now I'm going to add my vitamin C to the ginger and garlic tea, and this is a very strong combination to fight any form of viral infections, cough, flu, and sore throat. So guys, thanks for watching and God bless.